What's up, guys? Welcome back. You're watching Witch Hat Atelier. It's pretty good. This is the main character, Qifrey. I'm not sure how to say it really, but he's like if Gojo was a magician or like a wizard. So I'm on a landscape page. It's like a Harry Potter and Gojo mixed. So use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Use the pause button. Try have fun. So. Let's go. Let's start with his eye. So big eyelashes on top. So we'll carve a line first. So we'll go like up and across this way. Down. And then we got a little spike here. And I think we go back. Right, so at the front then there is like more eyelashes. Very good character design, and the whole thing is really good. They put a lot of work into it. And then this travels back to the spike back there. And this is all just colored in. It's not pure black in the anime. They like, you can, you know, it's kind of a gray, like a real dark gray. But we'll do it black just because we're using ink. So his bottom eyelashes, there's like a couple of little dots of stuff, and then it like goes around, and then there's little spikes of eyelashes coming off here as well. Goes underneath his glasses there, but we'll draw it in anyway. And then his big blue eye, circle coming down from the top eyelid line. Just in there. And pupil in the middle. And again, I think his pupil is kind of like a darker blue, but we'll do it black. So he's got an eyelid line coming across this way. And we can see a bit of his eyebrow, but it's like in between his hair. So it's just like, we'll just draw the two lines like this in the gap. And then we can put that hair gap just coming down. It's kind of like, you know, curtains just opening across his eye. Like that kind of parting. So then we have these glasses on his face. I will come back to them. We'll get the shape, face shape first, and then we'll do the glasses. So we have like his nose, just the tip of his nose here. Like that. We'll do without glasses first. And then his mouth, it's like a two-parter. So it starts here, just across, and then the other side, and they don't touch. Right, so you just get that kind of a thing. And then we'll do his chin. Round sort of in there. So his jaw then gradually goes this way. Starts to curve here about mouth level. Same on the other side. And it starts to curve when you get to about mouth level. And you're kind of like underneath the corner, like his eyelash there. So crossing the mouth, underneath eyelash, it starts to curve up. For the side of his face. That. And we'll go up the other way. Like so. So the glasses then are in here. So my page is moving. And we'll do the middle diamond first, just to get our center. And it's kind of like underneath this hair spike here. So say like we'll go like a sort of a diamond out this way. We have a round corner here. It's not pointy because of the round glasses. And then this goes this way. Back up. And then we do 2 more of those on the inside. So it's like a repeating pattern. And then circles. Now, if you have a coin, stencil, something big enough to draw your circle, feel free to do that. But if not, you can just go for it. It goes over that eye a little bit. Okay, and then there's a gold rim inside, so you just kind of go around again. Very sort of thin edge on them. And then we have the inner glass sort of line as well. There's like a little line like that. And then the other side, so it goes around again. We get them as circular as we can. Of course, you're not going to get a perfect circle unless you're using like a stencil or something. And then around. Like so. And that's like a dark one, and that's see-through. So rest of his hair. So lots of hair spikes, loads and loads. So we'll go across, this one comes across this glass. There. It's like a couple of layers, they're in there as well. And some actually go behind this glass. So okay, and just keep adding them, just all these spikes. They eventually just start to spike out around his head then. Do. Right, and we can add his ears now. So ears in here. Spike in there, I think. And then we get some ear lines. And we can see some hair in behind his ears. And then we finish the hair spikes all the way up to the top of the page, and then we'll do the layers and textures that are on the inside as well. So you just spike it all the way out. Where does it go up at the back? Actually, I can't see it. It kind of cuts off on the picture, so I'm not sure. I think there's two maybe that stick up back here, but I'm not sure. I'll say one there maybe. Just going that way, and the other one goes off the other side. Kind of like that, I think. Like two little. If you have room, you could finish those as a spike. And we'll just go that way. Like so. Now there's all like hair on the inside as well. So like layers of spikes, right? So you know, like all in here. And then down another sort of section here as well. And some here. So lots of hair. And then, so we're kind of like looking down. So his shoulders are kind of high up. They kind of start here. So we'll just go around like this. And then down this way. And then he's got these V-like collars. So we got like his collarbones going that way. He doesn't have the big cloak on in this picture. So we'll just do that. And then like do this 3 more times. So it's like a repeating pattern. It's like a little one there, and then it goes up the other side. Boom. Qifrey or Qifrey from Atelier. Good anime. Recommend. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.